Hey everybody, how many of you get those late night cravings that just won't quit? You know, those times when you're curled up on the couch watching your favorite show and suddenly your stomach starts talking to you? It's like it has a mind of its own. Welcome, nutrition navigators. Today, we're diving deep into the delicious world of healthy late night snacking. We're going to unlock the secrets to satisfying those cravings without sacrificing your health goals. Get ready to discover the secret to healthy late night snacking, balanced and delicious. Let's kick things off with a classic Greek yogurt. Now, I know what you're thinking. Yogurt for a snack? But trust me on this one. Greek yogurt is like the superhero of the dairy aisle. It's packed with protein, which will help you feel full and satisfied until morning. And the best part? It's incredibly versatile. We're going to jazz it up with a drizzle of honey for just the right touch of sweetness and some fresh berries for a burst of antioxidants and flavor. This snack is a match made in heaven. The creamy yogurt, the sweet honey, and the juicy berries all come together to create a symphony of flavors in your mouth. Next up, we're diving into a snack that's perfect for those who love a little crunch air-popped popcorn. But hold on, we're not talking about the buttery, salty kind that you get at the movie theater. We're making it healthy and delicious. Air-popping your popcorn at home is super easy and allows you to control exactly what goes into your snack. No added oils or butter needed. And to give it that extra oomph, we're sprinkling on some nutritional yeast. Now don't let the name scare you. Nutritional yeast has a cheesy, nutty flavor that you're going to love, and it's loaded with B vitamins, which are essential for energy production. Now, for those of you with a sweet tooth who crave something refreshing at night, I've got just the thing. Cottage cheese with pineapple. I know, cottage cheese might not sound like the most exciting snack, but hear me out. Cottage cheese is another one of those protein powerhouses that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. And when you pair it with the tropical sweetness of pineapple, it transforms into a taste bud tantalizing treat. Pineapple is also a great source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps boost your immune system. There you have it, folks, the secret to healthy late-night snacking. Remember, late-night snacking doesn't have to be your downfall. By choosing snacks that are both delicious and nutritious, you can satisfy your cravings without sabotaging your health goals. So ditch the processed junk and embrace the power of whole, unprocessed foods. Your body will thank you for it. Please hit the thumbs up button right now to let YouTube know this content is appreciated. That will help get this content out to those who may need it. What are some of your favorite go-to late-night snacks? Share them with me in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more healthy eating tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and remember to take care of yourselves. This is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.